During the election year, we can keep an eye on the polls to predict which candidate is in the lead. But can YouTube video views also predict who will win? An interactive map created by Polygraph and Google's News Lab can track the popularity of a candidate based on whose videos had the most views, the dates in which they were being watched, and most specifically by state. A little like Big Brother watching. The study was conducted using YouTube's geographical data on its users, and it revealed that views typically increased when a state was about to vote in its primary. And the big winner, you guessed it, Donald Trump. His tour of his private 757 video, in which he shows us what it's like to travel Trump style, had the most views for any candidate, cause that is so presidential. Coming in second was Hillary Clinton's Speak video, which puts together a selection of Trump's most offensive comments. I guess Clinton's celeb squad can help her boost her views from now on. But come November, we'll see who the real YouTube star is. I'm Susana Victoria Pérez for Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.